Stop struggling with your words at the airport. Today, we're following Sarah's journey to master the 10 essential English phrases, like check in and set off, that will make your next trip stress free. Whether you're at the hotel or exploring a new city, these are the words you actually need. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. The Departure. Sarah is excited. Her trip starts today. Our first English phrase is check in. Check in. Check in means to register at the airport or hotel. Listen to this example. Sarah needs to check in at the airport 2 hours before her flight. Now say it with me. Check in. Sarah needs to check in at the airport 2 hours before her flight. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Airport staff, good morning. Are you checking in today? Yes, I need to check in, please. My flight is at 10 o'clock. Airport staff, of course. Here's your boarding pass. Have a great trip. Our second English phrase is drop off. Drop off. Drop off means to take someone to a place and leave them there. Listen to this example. Her brother will drop her off at the departure terminal. Now say it with me. Drop off. Her brother will drop her off at the departure terminal. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Brother, I will drop you off right here at the entrance. Is that okay? Yes, perfect. Thank you for the drop off. Brother, no problem. Have a safe trip. Our third English phrase is take off. Take off. Take off means when a plane leaves the ground and begins to fly. Listen to this example. The plane is scheduled to take off at 10 o'clock in the morning. Now say it with me. Take off. The plane is scheduled to take off at 10 o'clock in the morning. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Passenger. Excuse me, do you know when the plane will take off? Yes, it is scheduled to take off at 10 o'clock sharp. Passenger. Oh great, we still have some time then. Chapter 2. The Journey. Sarah is now in the air thinking about her arrival. Our fourth English phrase is get in. Get in. Get in means to arrive. We use this for planes, trains, or buses. Listen to this example. What time does your flight get in? I hope there are no delays. Now say it with me. Get in. What time does your flight get in? Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Friend on phone. Hey Sarah, what time does your flight get in? It should get in at around 2 in the afternoon. Friend on phone. Great. I will be at the airport to pick you up. Our fifth English phrase is look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited about something in the future. Listen to this example. She is looking forward to seeing the mountains for the first time. Now say it with me. Look forward to. She's looking forward to seeing the mountains for the first time. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Passenger. Is this your first time visiting? Yes, I am really looking forward to seeing the mountains. I am so excited. Passenger. You will love it. The view is beautiful. Our sixth English phrase is pick up. Pick up. Pick up means to collect someone or something. Listen to this example. After she lands, Sarah needs to pick up her luggage from the carousel. Now say it with me. Pick up. After she lands, Sarah needs to pick up her luggage from the carousel. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Excuse me, where do I pick up my luggage? Airport staff, you can pick it up at carousel number 3. Thank you so much. Chapter 3. Exploring. Now Sarah is at her destination. Time to explore. Our seventh English phrase is check out. Check out. Check out means to pay the bill and leave a hotel. Listen to this example. On her last day, Sarah must check out of her hotel by 11 in the morning. Now say it with me. Check out. On her last day, Sarah must check out of her hotel by 11 in the morning. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Hotel staff, good morning. Are you checking out today? Yes, I need to check out. What time is the latest I can leave? Hotel staff. Checkout is by 11 o'clock. We hope you enjoyed your stay. Our eighth English phrase is get around. Get around. Get around means to travel to different places within a city. Listen to this example. In this city, the best way to get around is by using the subway. Now say it with me. Get around. In this city, the best way to get around is by using the subway. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Local. Hi, are you new here? Do you need help getting around? Yes, please. What is the best way to get around the city? Local. The subway is fast and cheap. It is the best way to get around. Our ninth English phrase is look around. Look around. Look around means to visit a place and see what is there. Listen to this example. Sarah loves to look around the local markets to find unique souvenirs. Now say it with me. Look around. Sarah loves to look around the local markets to find unique souvenirs. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Market vendor, hello. Feel free to look around. We have many beautiful things. Thank you. I love to look around markets. Everything looks so unique. Market vendor, take your time. No rush. Our 10th English phrase is set off. Set off. Set off means to start a journey. Listen to this example. Tomorrow, she will set off early to catch the sunrise at the beach. Now say it with me. Set off. Tomorrow, she will set off early to catch the sunrise at the beach. Now listen to how Sarah uses it. Friend. What time are you going to set off tomorrow? I plan to set off at 5 in the morning to catch the sunrise. Friend. Wow, that is early. Have a wonderful time. Chapter 4. Review and recap. Great job! Let us quickly recap all 10 English phrases we learned today. Number 1, check in. Number 2, drop off. Number 3, take off. Number 4, get in. Number 5, look forward to. Number 6, pick up. Number 7, check out. Number 8, get around. Number 9, look around. And number 10, set off. You did amazing! Now here is your challenge. Write a sentence in the comments below using any one of these 10 phrases. Tell us, where are you planning to travel next? We will read your comments and help correct your grammar. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.